Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is Sweatcoin wallet. So let's get started with the review. The Sweatcoin wallet, also known for its Sweet wallet, is a non-custodian crypto wallet that serves as a central hub for Sweat digital currency. This wallet allows you to take full ownership of the Sweat token you earn by working and exercising through the Sweatcoin app, which is a move to earn platform. Within the wallet, you can do more than just holding your token. You can stake them in growth jar to earn a yield, swap Sweat for other cryptocurrencies, and participate in line and earn challenge to gain more reward. Its features include a user-friendly interface and focus on Web3 functionalities, making it a great entry point for those new to crypto who want to be rewarded for a healthier lifestyle. However, it's important to understand the wallet's limitation and risk. While you can earn Sweat, it's not a direct way to make significant cash, and converting your steps to token requires a large number of steps. The amount needed to mint one Sweatcoin increase over time. As a self-custodian wallet, you are solemnly responsible for your recovery phrase. Losing it means losing access to your fund forever. Additionally, while the wallet has been improving, some users have reported occasional glitches, such as staking features not working correctly or issues with the app homepage. And also, the Sweat wallet is a legitimate and efficient tool for those who want to be rewarded for their physical activities and explore the decentralized finance space. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.